Hi everyone. I know that a lot of people have really struggled with the number of blogs that we go through and that we read and that we comment on and that we syndicate as part of the Tribe Syndication Power Hour or as part of the Tribe concept in general. It really can be overwhelming, and there's some basic tips and some basic tools that can help you learn to manage it. So I wanted to take a moment to show you one of my favorites that I use that I think will help you maximize your ability to handle all these blogs. If you go to a list where you have some blogs, or if you start opening them individually in tabs, in this list I can just click the links. So I'm going to middle click to open each of these in this blog list in tabs. And that's my middle click button in my mouse. Now I'm going to open just a couple of these, but you'd want to open however many you want to set up in a particular group. So if you want to set up a group that contains all of the Tribe 1.0 class, you'd open all of them. If you want to set up a group that contains, say, just the Tribe Mastery instruction teachers, you would just open those 5. Or if you wanted to open for just your sub-tribe, you would open just those. Okay, so as you can see, I now have these loading in tab. Now, you've probably gotten that far, but here's the trick. You want to come up here in Firefox to your bookmark, but instead of clicking bookmark this tab, go to bookmark all tabs. And the neat thing here is it's going to create a folder name. And I'm going to name this Tribe 1.0, just for convenience sake. And I'm going to click Add Bookmarks. Now, where this gets really neat is when I close all of these, give me a second to close them all. Say I come back next week and I'm ready to do some syndicating again, and I want to look at all these blogs again. Let me get my other clean copy of my browser back. And here I am, I'm back in Google, I'm ready to do some syndicating, I've got time to read some blogs. So I go up here to Bookmarks, and I find this folder. But rather than open each of them individually, at the very bottom there's an Open All in Tabs feature. And if you'll click that, magically Firefox will open everything that's in that folder in tabs. Now that you've figured out how to open all those in tabs, let's add one little trick to this puzzle. Let's say that you've recently had somebody join the team. And for this example, I'll use a friend of mine's blog. Helps if I can type today. Now that you're at the page, you'll go to bookmark this page in your bookmarks bar. And if you had Delicious, it may pop up and you have to cancel it. But in the Edit This Bookmarks tab, instead of just clicking Done, there's this little area that says Folder. And it currently says Bookmark Menu, which is where most of your bookmarks are probably landing. There's a little drop down, kind of to the inside of this. And if you'll select that and go to the bottom, you can select Choose. And here you didn't see my folder show up, but there's a little drop down icon next to Bookmark Menu. And if I open that up, here I see my Tribe 1.0 folder. If I click that and click Done, it's going to add that bookmark to the Tribe 1.0 folder, and you can see it here. And next time I open this all in tabs, that one will be included. This is how I manage my bookmarks for all the tribal syndication, and it's become really important because I think I'm looking at 30-some blogs regularly. That's a lot of blogs. Now, I do most of my general reading through the syndication, through the Google Reader, but when I'm doing syndication, I tend to want to be on the blog because I want the utilities. I want to be able to use TweetMeme and be able to use Facebook Share and use all these built-in features that we have. But I understand that the tabs can be that the bookmarks can be unmanageable. So getting them into tabs is a great way to help you get organized. I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you again. Please leave a comment and let me know if you have any other great tips for bookmarking.